Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we will see another problem related to the pod where it says pod is running, but it is not accessible. Whenever you are creating the pod and to access it, there are multiple ways. One of the way is that you are using the service. So this issue is related to the service, your service, which is pointing to the pod as the endpoint. So let me just show you that quickly. So consider, so let me delete this pod first, kubectl, delete pod2. Now what I'll do, I will create a pod, kubectl, and run pod, or I'll say simple web pod, and I will give a label app equals to web. Okay, so this is my pod label, and I want to run with a Docker image, say Nginx. So Nginx runs at port number 80. Now, if I say kubectl get pods minus o void, so you can see that my web pod is in the running state. This is the IP and it is running on worker node 1, right? Now I will create a service which is pointing to web pod. So I will say kubectl expose pod, which is web pod, right? And type of service, you can create node port service, you can create cluster IP service. I'm creating a cluster IP service. So type equals to uh, cluster IP, right? Cluster IP service. Now I will mention the target port as port number 8080, whereas Nginx runs at port number 80. So deliberately, I'm giving a wrong target port, which is the container port, and I will say hyphen port, which is port 8080. So we have created one service which is pointing to web pod. Now, if I say kubectl and get service, so you can see there is a web pod service. If we don't give the name of the service, it's same as the pod name, right? Now, if I say curl and I want to access my pod colon 8080. So you will see that I'm unable to connect to my pod. Why? Because the reason is that my pod, which is this IP address, if I say curl and this IP address, see, I'm getting the output, but through service, I'm not getting. So one of the reason is that I'm giving a wrong port number. Okay, so that is one reason. And even though if you say kubectl and describe service, which is web pod service, so here you can see that it has the endpoint which is pointing to 8080 port number, right? So this is the reason I'm not able to access my pod. Okay, so here you can see service not created, service is created, wrong port, or maybe some firewall issue. Okay, so you have applied some policies, okay, or some firewall that two pods cannot or service cannot access your pod, right? So there could be any firewall issue. Mostly it happens when from another system I want to access this particular pod. So I'm outside the cluster and I want to access this pod, but there is a firewall blockage. So in that case, your pod will not be accessible, right? So verify port and target port, right? So yeah, that's it for this lecture. And we will see one more problem in our next lecture. Till then, bye-bye.